I don't know where I left out it, guys, but I end up taking off this band using this tool along with a pick. This is a plastic pick, and I took it off. When I took that off, I took this out, and I was showing you the bearings, but my camera wasn't on. So this bearing here and this bearing, there's a bearing in here. Guess I could take it off, but I'm not. So, boy, it's bad on your back. Okay, put this on the table over here. Phew. Then he pulled this thing out, I think. He pulled this out. And when he pulled this out, he did this. Just showed it to us, that's all. Looks like there's a bearing or something, some kind of something on there. See that there's a little ridge on there, like I don't know what that is about, but it fits on there perfectly. What? I don't know if this is supposed to be worn off like this or not. That looks worn off there. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that or not. But anyway, we're gonna put this over here. Like this. And he took this off. I think he took this off. A little plastic doohickey here. Let me set that like this. And I don't think he pulled anything else out of there right away. I think that was the end of that. After he pulled that off. Well, the next thing he's getting ready to do is getting ready to take this band here off. That little white band right there. Or gold band. He's going to pry that off. And then he's going to pull that out. I guess I should put my glasses on. I do not want to get hurt. And he pulled it out. Yes, I think I'll just go around here. Okay, so and what I'm doing is I'm going a little ways to the right of it. Then I'm going to take that pick and I'm going to reach in there and pull it out. But I'm going to take a break. Whew, boy. Bad on your back. Really bad on your back. Let's see. Let's see now. I'm going to take this pen and put it in the bucket. And I think he took the really big screwdriver. Then I'm going to take this pick here. And I'm going to pull it up under here. You can't see that, but you're going to have to figure it out. If you're a mechanic, if you don't get this far, you should be able to figure out how to do this. So I'm just going to pull that back a little with the pick. I'm sort of grabbing that gold thing, prying it up against the and then I'm taking this pick here and I'm pulling it beyond the probes or the prods that's holding that springing mechanism in there. Careful to just hit only the yellow, or the retainer clip is what it's called. Alright, got it. Don't bend it, guys. Just ease it out halfway around, because you may get anxious and so excited that you end up bending it. But there it is. Now, what he did after that, I have to go to the video and check. So, anyway, I'll check with you guys later.